Hey, good morning, Pirates. Jay here. So this morning I've been learning some lessons, some good lessons on Claude Code. So I built a process in Claude Code, 98% effective, beautiful, really impressive. But it can't be sustained on Claude Code because of the session window lengths and the weekly limit lengths on my usage. So that would not be able to scale probably beyond, I'm going to say probably 10 clients. So I'm looking to get 25 clients to start. I'm close to 10 right now. And so I'm thinking, okay, I'm going to switch it to the and start using an API and maybe integrate some cheaper models like Qwen 3 or GLM5. So went to Open Router, plugged those in, and we get going. What I didn't know to do and what I didn't realize to do is that in Claude Code, and I built it with slash command, so it's stepped, it's a stepped numbered process, so we go through each step, is when we use the APIs, we need to send each call a prompt, which makes a lot of sense, but all the prompts were written in the slash commands and the instructions are there. But what Claude Code didn't do is it didn't translate those slash commands into effective prompts. So GLM5 and Qwen 3 were totally failing. Sonnet 4.5 and 4.6 couldn't do it either. And I was, what is going on? It worked perfectly over here and it's not working here now. So late last night, we're reading through various tests and improvements. It says, oh, well, the prompts that you have over here aren't as effective as what you have written in the slash commands. So essentially what it did was it replicated my process through prompts. It mailed the prompts in. So it was a photocopy of a photocopy and constantly failing. I'm $40 into inference spend and I'm like getting nowhere. So this morning I'm circling back. I'm calling Opus 4.6 and I'm saying, okay, here's what we had. Here's what happened. Here's what we did. How do we fix it? And that's what I'm doing right now. And the lesson learned is you need to be careful because Claude won't help you when you go from Claude Code over to using the API. So essentially from development mode to closer to production mode. If you're experiencing problems, what's probably happened is it hasn't adequately framed the process that you need to call the APIs step by step and follow the process that Claude built for itself. So there you go. Thanks for tuning in. Can't wait to see you guys at lunchtime.